Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors and your Key to Memphis. And today I wanted to talk to you about as a future seller doing a pre-home inspection. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, so back to the topic about a pre-home inspection when you're getting ready to list your property. And a lot of times I discuss this with you when I come out to talk to you about listing it as well. A lot of people want to wait till the buyer has it because it's their expense, which I understand. But a lot of time it just gives us better understanding of what we're negotiating with as well, so there's no surprises. So as we get the house ready to put it on the market, I can give you a list like we talked about of home inspectors that we know, like, and trust that can come out, and the cost is still probably $300 to $400 range, and they can come out and just look at everything to make sure that we haven't missed anything. So that way the buyer didn't come back to us and go, oh, by the way, well, this happened in the home inspection, we want you to discount the price. And another good factor, another reason is when you have a contract now, there's so many days to negotiate again through the home inspections and the resolution period. So we're the resolution period as a seller, so we may have 3 to 5 days. So that means we've got that short period of time to get estimates on things that we need to negotiate with to see how we're going to negotiate. So if we take it care of ahead of time, we've got all kinds of vendors and different people that we use that we can give you a list of these people to get estimates early on, so you're not in a time crunch and you don't feel rushed and you don't feel pressure to kind of do it. So that's probably the biggest thing, honestly, as well. Or if we list your house at a certain pricing and this is a great price, we might could have asked more or whatever, but we're trying to be reasonable with the market, and then something huge comes in at the home inspection, then that kind of kills what you're thinking you're going to get. So all those are just great points and things that I've run across as far as inspections and why it's a good idea to have a pre-home inspection. And actually, the buyer may still have their own, but at least we can say, here's everything that we've done. We disclose everything that we've run across, that we've taken care of. It just makes the buyer feel even better about your home, to be honest with you. But anyways, if you need a list of home inspectors, you want to talk about this further, just feel free to reach out anytime. My number is 901-729-9526 or melissa@yourkeytomemphis.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.